Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I built an awesome budget gaming and productivity PC using some affordable and reliable components. Whether you're building your first PC or looking for a solid budget setup, this guide will help you. Let's get started. Here's what I used for this build. Case: Ant Esports Elite 1100 mid-tower computer case, a sleek, all-black case with a tempered glass side panel and great airflow. Processor: Ryzen 5350, a 6-core beast with great performance for gaming and multitasking. Motherboard: MSI A320M, a reliable and budget-friendly option that gets the job done. RAM: Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB, DDR4 2400 MHz, great performance with a single stick for now, but you can upgrade to dual channel later. Graphics card: Zotac GeForce GT 710 2GB, ideal for light gaming and basic tasks. Storage: Crucial BX 524GB SSD, fast boot times and quick file transfers. Power supply: Ant Esports 500W PSU. Enough power for this build while keeping it budget friendly. Now let's start building. First, I installed the Ryzen 5350 processor on the MSI A320M motherboard. The installation is super simple, just align the arrow on the processor with the socket and gently lock it in place. Next, I added the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB RAM into the RAM slot. Push it firmly until you hear a satisfying click. Then, I installed the Crucial BX 500 SSD to ensure fast boot and quick loading times. It fits snugly into the SATA slots. After that, I mounted the motherboard into the Ant Esports Elite 1100 case. This case is compact but has enough room for cable management and cooling. The power supply, Ant Esports 500 watts, went into the bottom compartment of the case. Cable management is crucial to ensure proper airflow and a clean look. The Ant Esports Elite 1100 makes this easy with its cable routing options. I routed all the cables behind the case and secured them with zip ties for a neat finish. With everything set up, I powered on the PC and it booted up perfectly on the first try. The pre-installed RGB fans on the Ant Esports Elite 1100 look amazing and keep the system cool. Here's how the build performs. The Ryzen 5350 handles multitasking and productivity tasks with ease. While the Zotac GT710 isn't meant for high-end gaming, it's great for light games and basic graphics work. The Crucial BX 500 SSD ensures everything runs smoothly with fast boot times and quick app launches. Here's a quick summary of the pros and cons of this build. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly setup. Decent performance for the price, compact and stylish case with good airflow. Cons: limited upgrade options with the A320M motherboard. The GT710 isn't suitable for modern AAA games, but you can always upgrade later. And that's it for this budget PC build. If you're looking for an affordable setup for everyday use, productivity and light gaming, this build is a fantastic choice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PC build tips and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.